Hey boys and girls, today we're focusing on, and this week we're focusing on commonly misspelled words. You only have 10 words this week, but there's only 10 because these words are sort of tricky. The only way to know how to spell them is to memorize them. There's no pattern, there's no real rhyme or reason, so you just have to memorize them. As we go through each word, you can write them down on your list and then bring them in tomorrow. Your first word is thought. Now, what I'm going to try to do is teach you some ways to remember how to spell these words. They're kind of goofy, they're silly, but hopefully they stick. So for the word thought, I always go T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Repeat that to yourself. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. That's the word thought. Number 2, the word something. Hopefully you all know how to spell the word some, S-O-M-E, and you all know how to spell the word thing. So if you give a sentence like, something scared me last night, something is one word. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G. So if you notice the way I'm saying the word is sort of a fun way to remember the word. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G. Something. Number 3, interesting. Now the way I like to remember this word is I sort of break it up by syllable. Interesting. So if you spell it by syllable type, in, I-N, ter, T-E-R, S, remember it's not just one letter. Every syllable has to have a vowel, so it's E-S, and then ting, T-I-N-G. In-ter-es-ting. Interesting. In-ter-es-ting. Interesting. Number 4, believe. You don't spell it the way you say it. So for me to remember this word, I know how to spell B, B-E. Now it's the rest of the word that I have to remember. So I usually say B-E-L-I-E-V-E. So B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Believe. B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Believe. Nothing like the way it's spelled. Number 5 is bought. It's like the word thought. So if you can spell thought, you can spell bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. So bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. You just need to find a fun way to remember how to spell this word. Whether you have to write it 5 times to remember it, find it in a book, just sing the jingle, a little rhyme around the house, do whatever you need to do. Number 6, the word is happened. And the way I remember this word to spell it, I say happened. Happened. So if I think of the word happened like happened, I know hap, H-A-P, pen, P-E-N, ed, E-D. So the word happened, happened. Remember it that way. Happened, happened. Happened, happened. Number 7, people. Nothing like the way you say it. For those of you who had me, you know my little way to remember. I always say P-E-A, so P-E-O, pull, P-L-E. P-E-A, pull-E. Like Monopoly, but P-E-A, pull-E. P-E-A, P-E-O, P-L-E. P-E-A, pull-E. People. Number 8 is the word beautiful. Now, there's, I think a movie that says it like this. So for beautiful, I always think B-E-A-U. So that gives you the letters. B-E-A-U-tiful. The only thing you have to know how to spell is T, just T-I, and full, F-U-L. B-E-A-U, tiful. They're full of beauty. B-E-A-U, tiful. Beautiful. All right, guys and gals, this is not aw at the end of the word. This is the word through. Like I'm going through the door. I've walked through the store. Okay, the other through, T-H-R-E-W, is like when you have something in your hand and you throw it in the air. Like I threw the baseball. That's a different meaning. So when you're going through something and not actually like throwing, it's this through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H. T-H-R-O-U-G-H is through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through. Last but not least, another one of those tricky ones, is your word though. Nothing how you say it. You just have to know how to spell it. Though, T-H-O, though is usually how you would spell it if you were to say it, but there's some extra letters there. So I like to think of it as like ugh. I hate spelling the word though. T-H-O-U-G-H, ugh. T-H-O is though. Ugh, I hate the word. U-G-H. So though is T-H-O. Ugh. I hate the word. U-G-H. Though. So those are all your words. If you want to review the slide, go for it. Remember, these words are going to be tricky, unless you already know how to spell them, and then that's great. If not, replay this again. Replay it however many times you need to. Come up with your own little ways to remember the words, and we'll share them tomorrow in class. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.